This one will be cool, but we gotta sand off a bunch of the shiny stuff. That's better. And we gotta cut it. Just cut up a bunch of stuff. Back to the sander. It's hole drilling time. There's a hole. There's a bunch of holes. I sand them now. Give them some shape. I sanded this one so that you could still see the resin and you can see the wood. And then once I sand it all the way down and gloss it, it'll look way cooler. There's a basic shape. Oh, and it fits my fat finger. Hooray! All cleaned up and ready for some more sanding. Here they are after sanding at 600 grit. So now it's time to wash them off once again and then apply the final polish. Seeing them wet's kind of like a preview of what they're going to look like when they're polished. I'm pretty happy with most of them. Neat preview of what they're going to look like. You can see that wood just pops. Even with the clear. Looks pretty cool.